Hi there, it's savoury Sago Pancakes for breakfast today. Packed with vegetables, these pancakes are enjoyed by everyone. The best part? They require very less oil for cooking. Let's begin. Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates? For tempering, we'll require some curry leaves, mustard seeds and cumin seeds, finely chopped coriander leaves and finely chopped green chillies, boiled and grated potatoes, grated carrot, finely chopped cabbage, boiled peas, moong dal or green lentil skinned, soaked in water for at least 2 to 3 hours, sago or sabudana, wash it 4 times in water, soak it for at least 4 hours. This is how they look. Drain the water and keep them ready. We'll also require some hing or Asafoetida, salt and vegetable oil. In a tarka ladle or a pan, just add in a teaspoon of vegetable oil and heat it up. Add in the cumin seed and the mustard seeds. A bit of hing or Asafoetida. Add in the curry leaf. Turn off the heat. Let it cool down completely. In a mixie jar, add in the soaked moong dal. Add in most of the sago or sabudana. Grind this to a thick paste. Once that's done, add in the grated potato. And blend it one more time. Take a large bowl and add in the tempered oil along with the curry leaves and the seeds. Pour in the batter. Add in the chopped coriander and green chillies, grated carrot, grated cabbage, crush the green peas slightly before adding them in. Add in some chaat masala. Season with salt. Add in the remaining sabudana or sago. Mix it all up. That looks nice and colorful and a bit thick. So I'll just add in a bit of water. That's a better consistency. Add in some besan. Mix it thoroughly. This is how thick it should be. A dropping consistency. You don't want it too thick or too thin. That's ready. Let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, just check the consistency. If you feel that it has dried out a bit, add in a bit more water and adjust it so that you can pour it out easily. I'm using a ladle for equal measurements. Heat a pan. Drizzle a bit of oil. This is as it is a non-stick pan. Place a ladleful of our pancake batter and just flatten it out slightly. Not too thin. And let it cook till it solidifies on top. Drizzle some oil on top. and carefully flip it over. Cook on the other side. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. Let's check the other side. That's cooked too. But I'll just flip it over and leave it for about a minute or two. That's a better color. That's done. I'll just take it out, drizzle some more oil, get on with the rest of them. I'll probably do 2 at a time. That looks lovely. Just take it out. That's done too. Serve the pancakes hot with masala yogurt and enjoy.